So today, the topic I am going to teach you is about writing. And writing does not start from writing a book. Oh my God! Like you cannot expect that. कि आप सब जो है वो एक बुक लिखना शुरू हो जाएंगे, आप लोग बुक राइटर्स बन जाएंगे, and you will start writing in the in the newspaper, or you will start writing in the the editorial or something like that. Writing is not that easy. Clear? All right. So, what is the first step of writing? Like, if we just follow the mechanics, जब हम mechanics को follow करते हैं, तो definitely you first write words. सबसे पहले अच्छा writing के लिए सबसे पहले क्या होना चाहिए आपके पास?
Topic, specific topic.
Specific topic. Very nice. Thank you so much. Whoever has contributed. I'm very happy when you participate in online class. क्योंकि मेरे lectures नहीं होंगे इस तरह के कि I'm only speaking and you are just listening. I'm not going to do that. Okay. So yeah. अच्छा and उसके अलावा क्या चाहिए आपको? Thoughts. Yeah. Please. Who wants to speak?
Material.
Material. Okay. Nice. You also need thoughts. ठीक है, आपके thoughts होने चाहिए writing के लिए. So what we are going to do that.
Idea.
All right, yeah. What we are going to do कि हम एक.
What do you think about the topic?
What do you think about the topic? Nice.
There's idea.
Idea is very important. Thoughts very important. Now, अच्छा, अब मैं आपके साथ एक activity करूँगी. Listen very carefully. ठीक है? We are going to do an activity. I will give you a topic to write on, just one paragraph, few sentences. One paragraph means write ideally 4 to 5 sentences. Clear? मैं आप सबको एक टॉपिक दूंगी, उसमें आपको 4 से 5 सेंटेंसेस लिखने होंगे. लेकिन लिखने कहाँ होंगे? इन द नोटबुक? नो, यू विल नॉट हैव टू राइट इन द नोटबुक. मैं आपसे एक कोलैबोरेटिव वॉल का लिंक शेयर करूंगी. ये गौर से सुने. आज अगर किसी को डिफिकल्टी हो तो बिकॉज आई लाइक दिस टाइप्स ऑफ एक्टिविटीज, मैं चैट बॉक्स में एक लिंक शेयर करूंगी. व्हेन यू क्लिक दैट लिंक, आप उस वॉल पे आ जाएंगे. ठीक है, जब आप उस वॉल पे आएंगे तो वहां पर एक टॉपिक लिखा हुआ होगा. आपने एक प्लस का बटन होगा. यू हैव टू क्लिक दैट प्लस बटन and write your 5 sentence. One paragraph comprises 5 sentences, or it can be more than 5 sentences. Clear? And I will give you some 4 to 5 minutes for writing. Does it sound good? Is it a good idea, everybody? समझ आ गया आप लोगों को?
Yeah, ma'am.
All right. Okay, very good. Thank you so much. I will show you my screen and then I will take you there and you will definitely enjoy this. Okay, so let's go. All right. Okay. Now, I would like to know from you, is this wall visible? आपको ये wall नजर आ रही है?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
All right. अच्छा, इस पे क्या लिखा हुआ है? Trees. क्या लिखा हुआ है?
Trees.
You have to write one paragraph on the topic that is trees. All right. दरख्त. I mean, बचपन से उसको पढ़ते आ रहे. We all love nature. Okay. अच्छा, जब आपको मैं लिंक शेयर करूंगी चैट बॉक्स में, when you click that link, आपके सामने ये वॉल ओपन हो जाएगी. ठीक है? Then how are you going to write this? आप अपने मोबाइल की स्क्रीन पे देखेंगे, आपके ये मेरा राइट है. ठीक है, राइट हैंड साइड पर कैन यू सी दिस प्लस पिंक?
Yeah, ma'am.
ऑलराइट. अच्छा, जब आप इस पे क्लिक करेंगे तो ये टेक्स्ट बॉक्स ओपन हो जाएगा. ओके, इस यहाँ पर आप अपना नाम लिखेंगे लाइक साइमा, और यहाँ पर आप अपना टॉपिक लिखना शुरू करेंगे. ट्रीज आर व्हाटएवर. ऑलराइट, क्लियर? एंड देन
एक्सक्यूज मी मैम,
देन आप बाहर
Excuse
क्लिक
me, ma'am.
करेंगे, आपका ये सबमिट हो जाएगा. यस प्लीज.
एक्सक्यूज मी मैम,
Yeah.
प्लीज ये दोबारा रिवाइज कर ले. क्या प्रोसेस होगी?
या ऑलराइट, मैं आपसे शेयर करती हूँ. दिस इज द वॉल. ठीक है, यू हैव टू राइट वन पैराग्राफ ऑन द टॉपिक ट्रीज. आपको ट्रीज पे एक पैराग्राफ लिखना है. ठीक है, क्योंकि आई वांट टू चेक योर राइटिंग कि आप अभी किस तरह से, और फिर हम आखिरी में दोबारा से एक एक्टिविटी करेंगे एंड आई विल सी द इम्प्रूवमेंट कि आपको क्या इम्प्रूवमेंट आया. You have to write one paragraph, ideally 4 to 5 sentences about trees. आप उससे ज्यादा भी लिख सकते हैं. आपको ट्रीज के बारे में लिखना है. मैं अभी चैट बॉक्स पे एक लिंक शो करूंगी. जब आप उस लिंक पे क्लिक करेंगे तो ये जो वॉल मेरी स्क्रीन पे आपको नजर आ रही है, दैट लिंक विल टेक यू देयर. ठीक है. देन आपके मोबाइल स्क्रीन पर इसी वॉल पे ये पिंक कलर का ये सर्कल नजर आएगा. जब आप इस पर क्लिक करेंगे तो ये टेक्स्ट बॉक्स ओपन हो जाएगा. यहाँ पर आप अपना नाम लिखेंगे, राइट, एंड यहाँ पर आप अपने सेंटेंसेस लिखेंगे. और जब आप बाहर क्लिक करेंगे तो ये सबमिट हो जाएगा. क्लियर हो गया? ऑलराइट, जस्ट गिव इट अ ट्राई, डोंट वरी. मैं आपसे लिंक शेयर कर रही हूँ. ओके, नाउ अच्छा, एंड यू विल बी आउट ऑफ द जूम स्क्रीन. जूम आपका चलता रहेगा. ये देखें, जस्ट क्लिक द लिंक, everybody, and you have 5 minutes. Okay, you have 5 minutes to write. Click the link, then राइट हैंड साइड पर एक आपको प्लस का साइन नजर आएगा. उस प्लस के साइन को जब आप क्लिक करेंगे, ओके, तो एक टेक्स्ट बॉक्स ओपन हो जाएगा. उस टेक्स्ट बॉक्स पे आपको एक पैराग्राफ लिखना है. दैट्स इट. ओके, आर यू एबल टू गो टू दिस? ट्राई करें, जस्ट ट्राई दिस.
मैम किस चीज पे लिखना है पैराग्राफ?
चेक ट्रीज. टॉपिक है आपका ट्रीज. राइट वन पैराग्राफ ऑन ट्रीज, दरख्त.
मैम ये टाइटल में क्या लिखना है? टाइटल में
नाम, नेम, राइट योर नेम. Farhan Ali, very nice. Farhan Ali, and now you start writing your paragraph. Very successfully, Farhan Ali has done this. Very nice. Samiullah is here. Okay. Now, अब इस पर लिखना भी शुरू करें आप लोग, ठीक है? Okay. Other students, please click the link and write 4 or 5 sentences or a paragraph about trees. दरख्त. Okay, so let me check. Maria is here. Okay, आपने लिखना शुरू नहीं किया. You have only written the name. Start writing about trees. दरख्तों के बारे में लिखना शुरू करें. What comes in your mind when you think of trees? Okay. Yes, Muhammad Ahmad. Malaika has written excellent. Malaika, excellent. Malaika, I appreciate that. Well done. All right. So Malaika has written, trees are the beauty of our environment. मैं आपसे screen अभी share करूँगी, then you will see. Right now I'm not sharing so that you do not see the other what others are writing. Okay. अच्छा मारिया, आपने टॉपिक जो लिखा है, ठीक है? मारिया, मोहम्मद, मेराज, फरहान, अब आप लिखना शुरू करें उसी टेक्स्ट बॉक्स के अंदर. All right. Start writing. You only have written the okay. Shabana. Shabana has excellent. Shabana, excellent. I have received your response. Okay. So those of you who have just written the names, आगे कुछ नहीं लिखा आपने, kindly click that again, and you will be able to edit it. You will be able to have an access to the writing text. Yeah, somebody has written. उसका नाम नहीं है, उसने topic trees लिखा है. I like it. I like it. It's okay. Okay, fine. No issues. Then we have one more response I have received. The earth will get dead and dry would be okay. अच्छा, and please make sure कि आप कोई भी Google ना करें, ठीक है? Because if you do that, so it will be very difficult. You will not learn how to write. 2 minutes more.
मैम ये लिंक दोबारा शेयर करें प्लीज.
Okay, no problem. Just click the link and it will take you to the Padlet and write in your own words, please. Okay, I'm still waiting for your responses. There are students, Himmat, Samiullah, Maryam, Mehraj. They have just written their names and they have not written the content about trees. उन्होंने लिखा नहीं है. Yes, I received one more response. Fiza की तरफ से. Fiza, nice, excellent job, Fiza. Yes. Tanveer Ahmed, nice, excellent, excellent, excellent. Yeah, Hira has also posted, excellent.
मैंने क्लास थोड़ी लेट ज्वाइन की है इस वजह से मुझे
ठीक है, all right. Those students who joined late, kindly just wait for a moment, and I'm going to tell you. And this ball looks beautiful. All right, Aman Kumar, excellent. Ikra, good job. Kashif, this ball looks beautiful.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
All right. Okay. So now, those students who join late, we will do this activity again in the end. Okay. The earth will become lifeless and dry. Okay, there would be no water. Okay. So I can see that some of the responses are the same. ठीक है, कुछ तो हैं आपके वो एक जैसा लग रहा है, तो उससे पता चल रहा है कि ये आपने इंटरनेट से लिया है. ठीक है, because how come is it possible that two people are thinking the same? All right, same vocabulary use कर रहे हैं, same sentences use कर रहे हैं. समंदर ने भी कर दिया है. Okay, then now stop writing. आप Zoom पे आ जाएं. Everybody stop writing. Okay, everybody stop writing now, and let's go to I'm going to share the wall, that how it appears and what you have done. अभी आपसे मैं share करती हूँ. ठीक है. Now look at this. Can you see this wall? Everybody, can you see this? Is my
Yes,
screen
ma'am.
visible? Yeah.
Yes,
All right. Yeah. So this is the wall, and I can see the responses. All right. Aman Kumar, Shabana, Samandar Khan, Himmat, Ikra, Taimur, Maryam, Kashif, Majid Khan, Kamran, they all have posted their responses here, and I really appreciate. Okay, so can you please tell me कि आपने how many of you, tell me very honestly, कोई मुझे बताएगा कि आप में से कितने हैं जिन्होंने just Google किया and then they have written it? Anyone of you can just tell me, because ये बहुत important है. This is very important for me to know कि how many of you have just Googled it? Yeah, tell me please. Hello.
मैम जो गूगल करेगा वो अपना खुद का नुकसान करेगा ना.
हाँ, नहीं, that is why I'm asking. Okay, when we talk about writing is not like copying and pasting. All right, writing is a very different thing. आप उसमें for example, those of you who think that okay, this is the topic that is given to us, and we'll go and we'll check out from Google. ठीक है? So this is not writing.
Yes, ma'am.
I write? Okay. I would like to unmute the one. अच्छा, आप में से वो जिसने खुद लिखा है, all right? वो अगर मुझे आप unmute करके अपना paragraph read करें, तो I can better comment on it. मैं Google के material पे comment नहीं कर सकती हूँ कि आपकी writing कैसी है, all right?
Ma'am, I can.
Okay. Just a minute.
मैं पढ़ूं?
What's your name? ताकि मैं आपका box देख लूँ. Where?
काशिफ.
काशिफ
काशिफ अली.
काशिफ अली. ठीक है जी. Alright. Let me see where is your content. अगर आपको नजर आ रहा है काशिफ का content, काशिफ का, yes काशिफ, here it is. Read please.
Trees are very important, valuable, and necessary to our existence as they have furnishes a lot of benefits of tree in our
Alright.
life.
ठीक है. अच्छा, can you tell me what is the meaning of this SSISTNCE? इसका मतलब क्या है?
Yes, ma'am.
ये जो वर्ड है ना necessary to our, उसके बाद आपने क्या लिखा है?
To our assistance
Assistant. अच्छा.
as they have
Right. They have. अच्छा, they have के बाद क्या लिखा है?
furnishes.
Alright.
Furnishes, ma'am.
Alright. Kashif, okay, please stop using other languages. I really mind it. मुझे बहुत बुरा लगता है. Alright. Anything that goes beyond the
Ma'am, can I read?
What's your name?
Samiullah.
Yes, Samiullah. Please read.
Trees are very important for life on Earth. Without trees, the Earth will become lifeless and dry. There would be no water, no rain, and no fruits. Forest for it all. Trees give us oxygen, shade, fruits, and much more. They also serve as a home for nearly 10,000 species for birds.
ठीक है.
Of birds.
Alright. अच्छा, tell me, Samiullah, is it really written by you?
Yes.
How do I know that it is written by you? Because I can see the same words and the same vocabulary and the same idea expressed by another student जिसको मैंने देखा है और उसने यही सारी चीजें लिखी हैं. ये रहा. Hira ने. Trees are very important for our life. It is very sufficient for us. Without trees, the earth is dry because trees give us oxygen. I think Hira ने खुद लिखा है. Yeah.
Yes, ma'am, मैंने खुद लिखा है.
हिरा ने खुद लिखा है. ठीक है. Because I will not be able to comment and give my feedback और कुछ ऐसा मैं नहीं कर पाऊंगी जब तक कि मुझे until I have surety that this is written by you. ठीक है. जब तक मैं ये ना कर पाऊँ.
Miss, can I read my paragraph?
What's your name?
My name is Aman Kumar.
Aman, where is yours? Let me find your. Yes, Aman, I have found you. Yeah, please read it.
Trees are natural beauty of the universe. It contains more oxygen to help us in respiration. They live like us. It means they are living organisms. Trees protect the world from the earthquake. Trees help in making paper. Per day, there are 1 million trees are cutting for making exam papers.
Okay, fine. This is good. How do you know 1 million trees? Where did you get this information?
Ma'am, I have read it from social media.
From social.
Since I think for 2 or 3 months
Okay.
ago.
Okay. Thank you so much. All right. Okay. That's great.
Thank you, ma'am.
I think everyone that you tried your level best. I'm very happy that you participated. Hamza hai, Abrar hai. I can see. All right. So this wall is going to be there. ठीक है? It is not going anywhere. ये अभी यहीं पर है. We will get back to it after the session. हम दोबारा इस पे आएंगे and I will ask you कि आप analyze करें कि आपने जो अपनी खुद की writing की है. All right. Samiullah, please don't write comments in any other language because I am saving the comments. आपका जो chat box है ये पूरा save हो रहा है. ठीक है. इसी तरह से वली, समीउल्लाह एंड वली, ये लास्ट वार्निंग है. उसके बाद आप मीटिंग से रिमूव हो जाएंगे और आपका पूरा सेशन जो होगा वो यू विल नॉट बी एबल टू अटेंड इट बिकॉज आई एम वेरी मच स्ट्रिक्ट अबाउट रिस्पेक्ट एंड डिसिप्लिन. ठीक है. मुझे बहुत बुरा लगता है. मुझे लगता है आप मेरी इंसल्ट कर रहे हैं इफ यू आर यूजिंग एंड स्पीकिंग इन अ लैंग्वेज दैट आई डोंट अंडरस्टैंड. ऑलराइट, चलो स्टॉप शेयर. Okay, yeah, you must be sorry. It's okay. Be very careful next time. Learning should be taken as a learning. Okay, I do a lot of things and efforts to teach you in an entertaining way ताकि आप अच्छे तरीके से पढ़ें. But I cannot actually tolerate any kind of such things. So guys, I hope you enjoyed the activity. Now we are going to begin our topic, that is paragraph writing. Okay. Paragraph writing is the topic that is in your curriculum. ठीक है, ये आपके curriculum में है और I would like to first share with you. Okay. So, okay, guys. Okay, is internet working? I hope you all can see my screen. आपको मेरी screen नजर आ रही है?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, thank you. Thank you. So, you see, as I said, that nobody starts writing the book first or articles, 5-page articles, 6-page article. You know, ऐसा नहीं होता कि हम लिखना शुरू कर दें, हमें बहुत अच्छी writing आ जाए, हम बहुत अच्छे writer बन जाएं over a night. No, it doesn't happen. Writing is a process. दुनिया में जो बड़े बड़े राइटर्स हैं, जो बुक्स लिखते हैं, जो न्यूज़पेपर में लिखते हैं, जो आर्टिकल्स लिखते हैं, जो जर्नल्स लिखते हैं, जो पेपर्स लिखते हैं, जो रिसर्च आर्टिकल्स लिखते हैं ऑन एनी ऑफ द सब्जेक्ट्स, चाहे वो फिक्शन लिखें, स्टोरीज लिखें, इफ दे राइट अबाउट नर्सिंग, इफ दे राइट अबाउट हेल्थ, इफ दे राइट अबाउट द सोशल इश्यूज, व्हाटएवर दे राइट, दे फॉलो अ प्रोसेस. राइटिंग का एक प्रोसेस होता है जो हमने फॉलो करना होता है. ठीक है. So today we are going to learn about paragraph writing, that how to write a good paragraph. So let's begin. Okay, what is a paragraph? एक paragraph क्या है? As I told you कि आप tree के ऊपर लिखें, ठीक है? You should write on tree, कि आप tree के ऊपर एक topic लिखें, alright? Tree के ऊपर एक paragraph लिखें. Now, when I gave you this random topic to write on, you all, so many of you just googled the information, कुछ ने उसको copy paste भी किया, some of you wrote in your own words, that I really appreciate. Okay, so I asked you to write a paragraph without teaching you. All right, now let's begin. What is a paragraph? A paragraph is a unit of writing in a larger body of work. Larger body of work means, okay, for example, if you have an essay, all right, and that is of 500 words, so maybe there would be 5 paragraphs, all right? So, or you are writing about the social media, all right? You are writing the impact of social media. So you are writing a 5 paragraph essay जिसमें आप social media के pros भी लिख रहे हैं, cons भी लिख रहे हैं, merits भी लिख रहे हैं, demerits भी लिख रहे हैं. So you will not be writing just in one paragraph. आप ऐसे नहीं लिखेंगे. Why is it necessary to write in paragraph? क्योंकि paragraph में हम ये करते हैं that one paragraph is about one idea. Okay, for example, I asked you to write about trees. अब आपने tree के बारे में लिखा, the trees are very important for us, they are very necessary. And उसके बाद आप mountains पे चले गए, उसके बाद you started talking about Karachi, उसके बाद you started talking about weather. All right, so what happens that in one paragraph you cannot insert and put the multiple ideas. आप multiple ideas नहीं डाल सकते हैं. So what is a paragraph? A paragraph is a unit of writing in a larger body. If it is an essay, उसके अंदर paragraph उसका एक part है. If it is an article, paragraph उसका एक part है. If it is a book, उसके अंदर chapters होते हैं, chapters के अंदर topics होते हैं, उस topic के अंदर paragraphs होते हैं, ठीक है? So paragraph is a small unit of writing. Okay, now what does it do? A paragraph expresses a particular topic or a theme. कि जो एक paragraph होता है, वो किसी एक particular topic या theme को mention करता है. उसमें आप किसी एक unified idea और thought के ऊपर बात कर रहे होते हैं. You do not move and jump from one topic to another topic. A good paragraph is a component of fictional, prose, or non-fiction writing. Okay, so paragraph can be, fiction and non-fiction के meanings पता है आप लोगों को? Anyone would like to tell me that what is fiction and what is non-fiction? Anyone would like to tell me, please? Fiction and non-fiction का difference पता है? Yeah. Okay. Majid, can you please tell me what is the difference between fiction and non-fiction? Hello, Majid. Are you here? It means that Majid की मैंने absent लगानी है. Those students who are not responding me. Okay. Then I would ask Adnan. Adnan, please unmute yourself. Adnan, please unmute yourself and tell me what is the difference between fiction and non-fiction. Okay, Adnan is not here too. Aman Kumar.
Yes, ma'am.
Aman, can you tell me what is the difference between fiction and non-fiction?
No, ma'am, I don't know.
You don't know? All right. Okay, two participants have raised the hand. Fiza, yes, please. Fiza, tell me what is the difference between fiction and non-fiction?
मैम फिक्शन वो होता है जो हम अपने इमेजिनेशन से, अपने आइडियाज से, अपने मतलब एक इमेजिनेशन से जो हम लिखते हैं उसे फिक्शन कहते हैं, ठीक है, फिक्शनल। और जो नॉन फिक्शनल वो होते हैं जिनमें आपके पास फैक्ट होते हैं, किसी मतलब कि एक चीज पे उसमें फैक्ट होने जरूरी होते हैं।
Okay, Fiza, excellent, excellent. You won my heart. Such a great response. Okay, so I'm so glad. Thank you so much. I appreciate that. It is the correct response. When we talk about fiction, fiction is imaginative stories, right? Imaginative stories means आप Cinderella पढ़ते हैं, आप you read novels, you watch the movies, ठीक है? So the fiction होता है, it is something that is imaginative, that is based on imagination, not the reality. Clear? But non-fiction में, you know, if you go to your clinical and your teacher asks you to write a report about it, तो वो जो report writing आप करते हैं, वो जो applications आप लिखते हैं, these are called articles. Writing about reality is actually non-fiction. All right. So non-fiction is writing about reality and fiction is writing about imagination. Okay. Now let's go to the next. Okay, now what is a good paragraph? A good paragraph has a group of sentences. A paragraph कैसे बनता है? You know, sentence by sentence. When you write 2, 3, 4 sentences, it becomes one paragraph. Paragraph can be small. It can have only 2 sentences, or paragraph can only have 3 sentences. Okay, and then depends if you are writing for, depends upon the level. All right, sometimes grade 1 student can write 4 sentences. One paragraph that comprises 4 sentences. At the higher education level, when you are writing, maybe your one paragraph is of 300 words. Maybe you are writing more complex sentences. Lower grades children, they write paragraph in very simple sentences. Higher grade students, they write paragraph with very complex sentences. ठीक है, जिसमें वो different vocabulary, connectors, transition words use करते हैं. तो आपका educational level matter करता है. If you are higher, higher secondary, or if you are higher pursuing your higher education degree, all right, तो आपका जो होगा वो standard होगा. Your writing should be standard and professional. It should have a clear main idea, ठीक है, and supporting information, and definitely it is a part of a longer composition. Longer composition means कि कोई ऐसे है या कोई article है उसका ये एक part है. In other words, we can say that paragraph is a miniature essay. Miniature means mini essay, small, just one paragraph. Okay. All right. What are the parts of this is very, very important. What are the 3 main parts of paragraph? There are 3 main parts of paragraph: the topic sentence, the supporting sentences, and the concluding sentence. All right. So if you know the structure of an essay, so essay also has 3 parts. Okay. Introduction, body, and conclusion. But in each paragraph, if you want to write a good paragraph, okay, and you want to have the command on the topic, on writing, you want to write a good essay, so you have to work on each paragraph. आपको हर paragraph पे काम करना पड़ेगा कि आपका हर paragraph, अगर if you know this, that when you are writing about anything like about social media and its merits or its demerits, so what do you choose to write first? If you are writing about merits, तो आपका जो first paragraph है, the second paragraph, first paragraph will be introduction. The second paragraph in which you are going to write about the merits of social media. So you will first write the topic sentence. उसके बाद आप उसकी क्या लिखेंगे? Supporting details and then conclusion. थोड़ा सा हम इसको further आगे करते हैं. Okay, what is a topic sentence? Okay, what is the topic sentence? The topic sentence is the first sentence in a paragraph. The topic sentence is the first sentence in a paragraph. All right. So the paragraph का सबसे पहला sentence होता है, वो topic sentence होता है. All right. What does it do? It introduces the main idea of the paragraph. So the topic sentence is the main idea of the, not the essay, the paragraph. All right. And how do I write one? How to write this? Summarize the main idea of your paragraph, and in that indicates to the reader what your paragraph will be about. For instance, I gave you a topic to write on trees. All right. So trees में आप सबने topic sentence लिखा था या नहीं लिखा था? Can you just tell me कि अगर आप trees पे लिखते हैं, okay? So let me just stop my share, okay? And we are again going to go to the wall. अब हम दोबारा से उस wall पे जाते हैं and we will check out that you have to identify the topic sentence. All right. Oh. Now this is the wall. Okay. Can you tell me which one is the can you just spot the topic sentence? आपका topic sentence आपके paragraph में कहाँ होगा? Can you tell me? Topic sentence is always the first sentence, second sentence, or the last sentence?
First sentence.
Okay, topic sentence is always the first sentence of your paragraph.
First sentence.
All right, and it tells you the main idea of the paragraph. The main idea of the paragraph. ठीक है. अच्छा, can one of you read? यहाँ पर आपको topic sentences कौन-कौन से नजर आ रहे हैं? Yeah, please read. Any one of you can just unmute and read. This I'm in online class. Yeah, please. कंप्यूटर का या इंटरनेट का? मेरा पासवर्ड नहीं है. No, it is not password protected. हाँ, just go and use it. Okay, guys, I want to know कि आपको इन पैराग्राफ में टॉपिक सेंटेंसेस नजर आ रहे हैं? Can you tell me the topic sentence? Okay, there are 35 students in the class, or nobody is willing to answer me. Who should I say? Hira or Hamza or Ikra, any one of you? Mehraj, Malaika, Mehwish, Sarish, any one of you? आपको इस पे टॉपिक सेंटेंस नजर आ रहे हैं? What could be the topic sentence? Yes, please.
मैम टॉपिक सेंटेंस तो ट्री पे है ना, तो ट्री होगा ना मैम.
नहीं, तो सेंटेंस पढ़े ना. Which sentence is the topic sentence? पढ़े ट्रीज पे. जो भी टॉपिक होगा, आपका जो भी टॉपिक होगा.
Trees are natural beauty of universe.
Trees are natural beauty of universe. You think that okay, Aman Kumar का जो है यहाँ पर text, so you think this is the topic sentence, ठीक है? अच्छा,
Can I?
Yeah, please go ahead. Please go ahead.
मैम टॉपिक सेंटेंस जो मैंने लिखा है उसमें है कि ट्री इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर आवर लाइफ.
Okay, trees are very important for our life. So it is a topic sentence. Venus, I just want you to, the purpose is I'm sharing this wall कि आप सबने जो अपने टॉपिक्स लिखे हैं, अपने जो पैराग्राफ लिखा है, उस सब में आपका जो फर्स्ट सेंटेंस है, that first sentence is your topic sentence. All right, is your topic sentence, and the topic sentence is the main idea. Now, what is a good topic sentence? I think trees are very important for us. This is a good topic sentence. Many of you have written and started your paragraph that trees are the most important source. अच्छा देखिए इकरा, आपने directly start किया trees are the most important source oxygen which give us. ठीक है. Trees are both important for human being. Okay, trees are very important thing. I mean, if I can comment on it, कि हम किसको topic sentence, किसके टॉपिक सेंटेंस में प्रॉब्लम है? तो
मैम मैंने जो प्रेजेंटेशन बनाई थी उसी में से कोई एक लाइन पढ़ लूं मैं?
Yeah, please do that. Which one is the topic sentence? Usually the first sentence in the paragraph is the topic sentence. ठीक है, पढ़ें.
They produce oxygen and absorb carbon dioxide.
ठीक है, अच्छा. They produce oxygen and absorb carbon dioxide. It can it be a topic sentence? क्या आप अपना paragraph इस sentence से start कर सकते हैं? Just tell me yes or no. Write in the chat
Yes,
box.
ma'am.
Yes or no?
No.
Yes.
No, ma'am.
No.
No. No,
No.
ma'am.
No. No. No.
Why? Yes, ma'am.
No.
You
No,
can't. You
ma'am.
can't.
It's the supporting sentence.
It is. Who said that name, please? Very-
Supporting sentence,
This
ma'am.
is a supporting
Ibrar.
sentence.
Ibrar.
Abrar.
मैम आपकी आवाज नहीं आ रही.
Okay. All right. I think I'm audible enough. Everything is perfect from my side. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
All right. Yes. Abrar, you are right. You know, आपका जो first topic sentence होना चाहिए, that should be the main idea. It should be broad. So all of you जिन्होंने ये लिखा है, trees are very important for us. All right. This is a good topic sentence. अगर आपने ये लिखा है कि किसी का मैंने देखा था, tree is a beautiful natural creature. To some extent this is okay. लेकिन अगर आपका topic sentence ऐसे होता है ना कि trees are very important for us and trees are very important in our life, something like that. So then आपका जो topic sentence है, it is very broad that after that you will have or trees are very beneficial and trees give us many benefits. So trees are very beneficial for us, something like that. So उससे आपका फायदा ये होता है that you have, you know, in the supporting details, जो आगे जो second part है paragraph writing का, that is about the writing the supporting details. तो आपको उस पे लिखने को content मिल जाता है. Clear? That is why मैंने ये आपसे activity कराई थी कि you first write it yourself so that you can figure out that what went right and what didn't go well. All right. So a well organized paragraph. Okay, topic sentence we have done. Okay, so a well organized paragraph supports or develops a single controlling idea. अगर आप trees के बारे में लिख रहे हैं in one paragraph और उसके benefits के बारे में लिख रहे हैं, all right, so it should have only one idea, okay, and the topic sentence should be broad. It can, you know, जो कि आपके thesis statement को support करे. This is the example. There are 3 reasons why Canada is one of the best countries in the world. Okay, so the one which is written in purple color, font color, is the main sentence. All right, is the topic sentence in this paragraph. Now, what are the supporting details? तो थोड़ा सा हम आगे करते हैं. All right, supporting details क्या होती हैं? See, after your topic sentence, you need to write the supporting details. Supporting details include, this is called the body of the paragraph. ठीक है, आपका first sentence of the paragraph is the topic sentence. उसके बाद आपके 3, 4, 5, 3, 4, 5, 6, any number of sentences, and you can write as much as you can. जो आप लिखेंगे, this will be called supporting details. अच्छा, supporting details में क्या आ जाएंगे? Facts. Supporting details में आ जाएंगे examples. Supporting details में आ जाएंगे आपके anecdotes, आपकी कोई personal, you know, experiences. All right. Examples. क्या होंगी वो? Supporting details होंगी. अच्छा, those of you who have written that trees are very important for us, and after that आपने supporting details दी हैं that how trees are beneficial for us. For example, they provide us oxygen, that keep the environment, you know, balanced. All right, and we get a lot of benefits, sort of like, or what other benefits we get? You know, wood from the trees from which the furniture is made. ठीक है, something like that. तो जब आप benefits की बात करते हैं, so you can list so many benefits and you can provide a lot of examples about trees, that how trees are beneficial for us. Clear हो गया? So this is called supporting detail. Now, all right, now look at this. Trees are, there are 3 reasons why Canada is one of the best countries in the world. First, Canada has an excellent healthcare system. Now you are giving examples. तो जब आप examples दे रहे होते हैं, जब आप facts and figures share कर रहे होते हैं, this is called the supporting detail. Okay, all Canadians have access to medical services at a reasonable price. Second, Canada has a higher standard of education. Students are taught by well-trained teachers and are encouraged to continue studying at university. And finally, Canada's cities are clean and efficiently managed. Canadian cities have many parks and lots of space for people to live. Right? So अब क्या हो गया? आपके जो examples हैं, they can be as many as you want. आप facts and figures, आप body में paragraph की after the topic sentence, you can write as much as you can. आप जितने sentences उसके अंदर add करना चाहें उतने कर सकते हैं. Clear? Now, the third thing, सबसे पहले हम इसको करते हैं. What is the third thing? The closing or concluding sentence. The closing or a concluding sentence is the last sentence of the paragraph. All right, that restate the main idea. Example, look at this. As a result, Canada is a desirable place to live. All right. So look at this, the first sentence and the last sentence. The main topic, the topic sentence and the concluding sentence, they both are almost conveying the same idea. And in the middle, you have provided the supporting details and the examples. Okay, now let's go. This is another example. Okay. The most important problem in our city is poor public transportation system. And after that, what in the black color font, it is written, these are the examples. Thousands of residents, rely. Hello? Okay. And then these are the examples. And then in the blue color, in order for people to get to their destinations on time, people must allow for waiting time at the bus and taxi stop. Clear? So, ये क्या है आपका? This is also one paragraph that is about transportation. So उसमें एक ही idea share हो रहा है, and there are three things you can see. The red color font is telling you the main idea. The black color, which is a very huge part, and there are too many sentences. They are providing you the supporting details, and the last one in the blue color is the concluding sentence. अच्छा, now what is the process of writing? एक अच्छा process क्या है writing का? A good writing process is कि आप writing strategies को use करें. All right. So the first thing you have to use 6 pre-writing steps. Before you write your paragraph, आप इन steps को follow करें. What is the first step? The first step that think carefully about what you are going to write. Ask yourself a question कि आप क्या लिख रहे हैं, right? Brainstorm करें. Like if you're writing about trees, so पहले put different words and the ideas on the paper कि आप trees के बारे में क्या लिखना चाह रहे हैं. Clear हो गया? Second step, you're right, it is open your notebook. All right, write your answers in the notebook, then collect facts related to your paragraph. Now you can Google some important facts, some important information, and also write it down. But you will not copy paste it. You will rewrite it. You will write the information and use the information in your own sentences. Write down your own ideas. उसके बाद वो जो आपके words हैं, which you have just brainstormed, the ideas, you write them into sentences. Okay, find the main idea of your paragraph or essay. कि आपके paragraph का main topic sentence क्या होना चाहिए, and then organize your facts and your ideas. All right, writing stages में क्या है? ये तो आपके stages हैं. Okay, that you should not just start writing. पहले आपने you have to sit down, you have to have a notebook, you have to put your thoughts on the paper. उसके बाद आपके जो points हैं आप उसको organize करें into sentences, write them into sentences. Then think about that what could be the main topic, what could be the topic sentence of your paragraph, what are the supporting details, and what should be the concluding sentence. All right, one thing which is very important, check your spellings because I could see कि आपने जो अभी wall पे लिखा है, there were some spelling errors. All right, check your grammar, read your essay or your paragraph again. Make sure that the sentence has a subject. Okay. See if the subject and verb agree. For example, singular and plural. आपने ख्याल रखना है. Is and are. Most of the times, students make a lot of mistakes. Check the verb tense of each sentence. So आप grammar check करें, tenses check करें, and make sure that each sentence makes sense. These are the same thing. Now, I have this example for you. अगर आप trees के बारे में लिखना चाहते हैं, look at, trees are useful to us. Okay, this is the topic sentence. Now, how they are useful to us? They clean the air around us. On a hot day, they give us shade. We can use their wood to build our homes. Trees also help to keep the environment fresh. They provide us oxygen. So we should grow more and more trees, or else our survival will be difficult on earth. This is one simple paragraph. So these are trees are useful to us as a topic sentence. They all are the examples, and this last one is the concluding sentence. Clear, everybody?
Yes, ma'am.
All right.
Yes.
So, all right. So these were some of the strategies that I wanted to share with you. That when you want to write about write a paragraph, all right, and write a paragraph in your own words, आपको उसमें efforts करने पड़ते हैं. You don't become a writer over a night. या आपकी writing अच्छी ऐसे नहीं होगी कि कोई magic हो जाएगा. All right. You should read a lot and you should try to write a lot. So अब it is the time for the feedback, and let me ask you. Stop here. Okay. So I would like to ask Temur Khan. Temur, please unmute yourself. I want to ask you questions, and other students can write in the chat box. Clear? So Temur, will you please tell me that how many parts of a good paragraph has? एक paragraph के कितने parts होते हैं? When you are writing a paragraph, what are the 3 parts of writing a paragraph that you should focus on? Raise your hands who want to answer. Yes. Okay. Farhad is writing. Okay. How many parts does a paragraph have? एक paragraph के कितने parts होते हैं? Inayatullah. Yes, Inayat.
Ma'am, can I?
Yeah, please do that.
Ma'am, first of all, we write the main topic sentence.
Topic
जो
sentence.
topic sentence होते हैं.
Very nice.
ठीक है. उसके बाद जो है supporting sentence.
Supporting
and then
details.
conclusion sentence.
Okay. Supporting
Then
details.
conclusion.
And then concluding.
And concluding sentence.
Concluding sentence.
Sentence.
All right. There are 3 parts: topic sentence, supporting details, concluding sentence. Okay. I would like to ask, who is this? I would like to ask Mahvish. Okay. I would like to ask Mahvish to unmute and tell me what does supporting detail include? जब आप supporting detail लिखते हैं, so उस detail में आप क्या लिखेंगे? What will you write? After the topic sentence, when you are writing the supporting details, so what does it include? Mahvish. Okay, those students who are not replying me, I'm going to mark their absent because मुझे लगता है they are not here in the class. Okay. Then Samandar Khan. Samandar Khan. Yes. Samandar Khan, unmute yourself. Samandar is also not here. Habibullah. Habibullah.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Okay. Habibullah.
And the concluding sentence and stuff. Ma'am, can I ask you?
Yes. Wali, please.
मैम मैं बता सकता हूँ?
Yes, Kashif, please.
मैम सपोर्टिंग में हम ये लिखते हैं कि ओपनली मतलब क्लियर लिखेंगे और इसको मतलब उसकी क्वालिटी के बारे में लिखेंगे जिस चीज पर हम मतलब पैराग्राफ या ऐसे मतलब वगैरह लिखेंगे तो साफ भी लिखेंगे क्लियर भी लिखेंगे और आसान अल्फाज में भी लिखेंगे और इसकी क्वालिटी के बारे में लिखेंगे.
All right. Okay. Supporting details में please remember. Supporting details में हम लिखेंगे examples, facts and figures, ठीक है? या evidence, like if you say कि coronavirus has affected the world, you know, in so many ways. All right.
Yes, ma'am.
So if you are writing about the disastrous impact it has had on our lives, तो आपको एविडेंसेस भी देनी है, राइट? तो आप क्या कहेंगे भाई, कंट्रीज इकोनॉमी अकॉर्डिंग टू द इकोनॉमिक फोरम, पाकिस्तान की या अमेरिका की इकोनॉमी कोविड से पहले यहाँ थी, अब उसमें ये हुआ है, इतना लॉस हुआ है कंपनीज का, क्या क्या साइड। तो आपने एविडेंसेस भी उसमें इंक्लूड हो सकती हैं, उसमें एग्जांपल्स हो सकती हैं, डिपेंड्स अपॉन द टॉपिक। इफ यू आर राइटिंग अबाउट ट्रीज, so you will write the examples, all right, but you will not write the evidence. You don't need an evidence, but if you're writing about a topic जिसमें evidence देने की जरूरत है, तो आप evidences भी उसमें include करेंगे। Clear हो गया?
यस मैम, कंक्लूजन सेंटेंस भी होता है ना?
या अच्छा, अब
लास्ट में
या अच्छा, अब जो कंक्लूडिंग सेंटेंस होता है ना, उसमें और टॉपिक सेंटेंस में क्या होना चाहिए? सिंक्रोनाइजेशन होना चाहिए। Basically the concluding sentence restates the main idea of or the topic sentence. Okay, please mute. All right. जो concluding sentence होता है उसका purpose ये होता है, basically, just wait. Please guys, make sure that your mics are unmute. Okay. Basically the concluding sentence is a sentence जिसमें हम ये करते हैं कि it restates the main idea, like main idea जो आपका होता है उसी को आप प्रेजेंट करते हैं, बट आपके वर्ड्स एग्जैक्टली सेम नहीं होते, द वर्ड्स आर डिफरेंट। क्लियर? आपका जो कंक्लूजन और मेन आइडिया होता है वो आपस में मिलता जुलता होता है। ऑलराइट?
यस मैम।
ओके, फाइन। So that's it. I mean, it was the session about paragraph writing. You will not be able to write a very good paragraph just in a day after attending one class. Please do more and more practice. So I can give you an assignment. और वो assignment ये है कि you can write down a paragraph. Okay, I'm writing in the chat box. This is your assignment. Write down a paragraph जिसमें आपको टॉपिक सेंटेंस यूज करना है, जिसमें आपको एग्जांपल्स यूज करनी है, ठीक है, ऑन एनी वन ऑफ द टॉपिक, नर्सिंग, टीचिंग, स्पोर्ट्स, एजुकेशन। क्लियर?
एक्सक्यूज मी मैम।
यस
मैम, ये कब सबमिट कराऊं?
अच्छा, ये आपको सबमिट करवाना है, आई थिंक यू शुड ट्राई राइटिंग इट इन योर ओन वर्ड्स, और मैं ये करूंगी कि मैं आई विल चेक कि आपने प्लेजराइज किया है या नहीं किया है, कहीं ये आपका आपने कहीं से कॉपी तो नहीं किया। तो ये आप सबमिट कहाँ करवाएंगे? आप अपने जो हमारा इंग्लिश का व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप है ना, उसमें करेंगे। क्लियर हो गया?
यस मैम।
एक्सक्यूज मी
मैम, प्राइवेसी लगी हुई है।
अच्छा, प्राइवेसी
मैम, मैंने बाद में
भेज देंगे, हम सीआर को भेज देंगे, वो आपको भेज देगा बस।
नहीं, अच्छा, हाँ, किसी के पास कोई बेहतर आइडिया है, प्लीज टेल मी। या
सीआर को भेज देते हैं मैम, वो आपको सेंड कर देगा फिर।
और
ईमेल कर देंगे।
आई हैव एन आइडिया, आई हैव अ बेटर आइडिया, आई हैव अ बेटर आइडिया, एंड द आइडिया इज कि जैसे मैंने अभी आपसे लिंक शेयर किया था ना पेडलेट का, मैं एक वॉल बनाकर आपसे लिंक शेयर कर लूंगी व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप में, आप सब अपना पैराग्राफ उसमें डाल दीजिएगा व्हाट्सएप में। क्लियर हो गया?
ओके मैम।
दिस विल बी अ ग्रेट आइडिया। ठीक है, so I'm just going to make the wall and I'll share the link in the WhatsApp group.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes,
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes. Yes.
Ma'am, I have a question.
Please.
मैम, मुझे आपसे पूछना था कि जो हमारा कॉम्प्रिहेंशन रीडिंग के जो एक सेशन हुआ था और एक हमने क्लास ली थी ना, तो आपने कहा था वो बहुत ज्यादा इम्पोर्टेंट टॉपिक है हमारा, तो क्या उसका कोई और सेशन होगा मैम, या वो फिनिश हो गया है?
एग्जैक्टली, थैंक यू सो मच। अच्छा, अब आज का पैराग्राफ कंप्लीट करने के बाद अब आपके जितने भी सेशंस होंगे वो एग्जाम के लिए रिवीजन होंगे। क्लियर? We will do the revision of all the topics that we have done. Okay, Kamran, please mute your mic. Habibullah.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, please mute your mic. All right.
मैं हमारा टॉपिक तो खत्म हो गया ना, अब मैं जा रहा हूँ, 4% पे मोबाइल है।
All right, you can go. अच्छा guys, please inform everyone, जो CR है यहाँ पर, इनायत है, हसनैन है, please make sure that जो हमारी अब की क्लासेस होंगी वो एग्जाम के लिए रिवीजन होगा और हमारी प्रैक्टिस होंगी फॉर योर फाइनल एग्जामिनेशन डाउ यूनिवर्सिटी। ओके कल आपका रीडिंग कॉम्प्रीहेंशन का टेस्ट है, ओके LMS पर. Please do attempt that and try to do that. Then I will check out कि आपकी रीडिंग कॉम्प्रीहेंशन के स्टेजेस में लाइक यू नो हाउ मच यू हैव इम्प्रूव्ड. उसके बाद हमारी जो अगली क्लास होगी उसमें we will talk about all the topics that we have done including reading comprehension. Is that clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Okay,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Thank you so
Alright.
much.
And please inform
Yes,
us
ma'am.
and tomorrow is your reading comprehension test at 11 a.m. So please do that on LMS. It is only 20 minutes. There are only 7 or 8 questions. So I hope that it will be a good experience for all of you. And that's it. We are going to end the class here. Thank you so much for joining. All right.
Thank you, ma'am. Allah Hafiz.
Allah Hafiz.